everyone, welcome back or welcome if you are new to Mornings with Kimi. This is where I share homemaking motivation for the keeper of the home and encouraging words for homemakers. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I post them early in the morning around 6 a.m. periodically through the week. I also have another video coming out this evening at 4 p.m. where I did an update on our hallway. I added some lighting and I painted the ceiling and then also a door that enters into Aaron's office. So lots of fun in that video going on this evening, but I'm just starting with the load of laundry. I got my bed made, I showered, kind of just resetting myself and also my house. That way I feel better and I can get things done like the DIY I did later on in the day. I like to get all the homemaking done early in the morning. That way I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to change the sheets on my bed and then we're going to get into the kitchen. This is Margaret, our youngest cat. She's just 1 year old and she loves getting on our bed, but I think she wanted to get underneath the comforter and she thought this was the comforter, but it is not. But y'all will see her lay down and then she just waits for me to put the comforter over her. It's so funny. One of you told me that you don't even bother with a flat sheet, and ever since I heard that, I stopped putting a flat sheet on our bed, so that's why y'all see me just throw a comforter on there. But I do wash the comforter more often now that there's not a flat sheet on there. That is the reason though before that I would put a flat sheet just so I wouldn't have to wash my comforter as much. But now I'll just wash my comforter more. I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to get everything cleaned up in here and then we're going to get breakfast started. Now y'all can see it's already daylight outside. I did not film this at 6 a.m. in the morning, but as soon as I woke up, that's when I started doing everything. I'm so excited to share with y'all that on November 1st, I will be sharing my 2024 Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me video. And in that video, I plan to decorate the living room and then also put out the Christmas tree. Getting started with breakfast, I'm using this Pioneer Country Sausage Flavor Gravy Mix. I'm adding the powder to half a cup of cold water. I'm going to stir that up until there's no clumps. And then I'm going to wait for the pot of water to boil. Once it boils, I will add the gravy to the boiling water. And then I stir until it's thick. And then I remove it from the heat, which y'all see I removed it from the heat too early. So what I had to do was put it back on the heat, let it boil while the mixture's in there, let it thicken up while you're stirring it, then remove it from the heat and it will stay that thick consistency. Y'all, the directions are on the back, but sometimes the way they word it trips me up. And the gravy is one of them. So if it trips you up too, you're not alone. I had to learn the hard way. But now we don't have liquid gravy anymore. So I've got 4 pieces of sausage in here. We do have sausage from the farm that we showed y'all earlier this week. But it's frozen. So I just used some that we already had in a box. That was Margaret. This is Chloe. By the way, she's doing way better. I remember telling y'all that she just had like low energy. She's feeling so much better. She is energetic again, so that's a relief. I added a little bit of milk to my eggs, so I'm going to stir them up as much as I can to get them to be a good like scramble consistency. And then I'm going to put them in the pan. And what I learned recently from Ken, he is the cowboy guy he does the cooking stuff. Y'all know who it is. Anyway, he said to kind of do it like this, where you just go along the edges and then kind of fold it in and let that liquid come out. And then the eggs come out so nice and fluffy and bulky, like they're not little bitty pieces of eggs. Amazing. I think he actually used heavy cream though, and mayonnaise, but I was a little weird about the mayo, so I didn't do that. But look how thick and good these eggs look. I will be doing that trick from now on. Anyways, y'all, we had gravy with bread and sausage and eggs. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you back here in the next one. Bye.